Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart your device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. You can try to forcefully restart it just by pressing the power button, which is right here. So this is the top button here, and the volume up button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me press both of those buttons together. And here we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. So keep pressing the power button and volume up button together simultaneously. Here we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign, but keep pressing. Now we've got the developer's logo. I also felt a vibration, so then we can release the fingers. And now we have to simply wait until our device will be fully powered on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.